your takeaways from this?
My biggest takeaways being a millennial is just being able to see how I can connect with a different generation and really give them the resources that they want and that they desire and need.
Some takeaways that I got from this was, as a fellow Gen Zer, it's here to hear other generations and their perspectives of how we are, and it's cool to be validated and be like, yeah, that is how I feel. So a big takeaway is just learning how to connect more with my generation and also with other generations.